Hello everyone, this is Srimano and welcome to Genius Math Minds. In this video, we have another problem in Let's Solve series. So the problem is two numbers are less than a third number by 30% and 37%. How much is the second number less than the first? So this problem includes three numbers. So we will first take the three numbers. So x, y, z are the three numbers. So first, two numbers are less than the third number by 30% and 37%. So let's say this number, that is x, is less than z by 30%. So z minus 30% of z. So this number x, that is the first number you are taking, x is 30% less than. Two numbers are less than a third number. So this third number is what we have taken as z. Less than a third number, that is less than z by 30%. So z minus 30% of z. So this is the first equation. The next is, and we have another number here. So 37%. So the another number is y. So y is z minus 37% of z. So these are the two equations we have. Now the question is, how much is the second number less than the first? So the second number is y and the first number is x. So we have to find how much y is less than x. So let's take the percentages a percentage of x. So y is, how much is second number less than? So y is the lesser number. So x minus a percentage of x. So this is what we have to find out. So we have x and we have y. We have this equation. We need to find the a percentage. So first we'll get the value of x and get the value of y. So from this, x is equal to z minus 30 by 100 of z. So you can cancel one of the zeros. So we have x equal to z minus 3 by 10 z. So we can multiply the equation by 10. So 10x equal to 10z minus 3z. So 10x equal to 7z. So this is the equation we have. We can write this as x equal to 7 by 10z. So this is the first equation we got. So the same way we'll get this equation. So y equal to z minus 37 by 100 of z. So again we'll multiply this equation by 100. So 100y equal to 100z minus 37z. So 100y equal to 100 minus 37 is 63z. So y equal to 63 by 100 of z. So these are the two equations we have. So we have x in terms of z and y in terms of z. So you can substitute in the equation to find the percentage a. So we have to substitute in the equation above. So that is y is 63 by 100 z. So that's the value we got for y. Equal to, for x we have 7 by 10 z minus a percentage we can write as a by 100 times 7 by 10 z. So why this works is, in all these equations we have the z term. So we can cancel them. So the only unknown variable in this is a. So we can find that easily. So 63 by 100. Since this is a constant term, we can get it to this side. So minus a by 1000 times 7. So if we find the value of a, that's the answer for this question. So we can multiply this with 10 and divide by 10. So we have 63 minus 70 by 100 is equal to minus 7a by 1000. So we can cancel these two zeros. So we have minus 7 equal to minus 7a by 10. So cancel the 7 and the minus, we have a equal 10. So this is the answer we got. So that's the answer for this question. So how much is the second number less than the first is? The second number is 10% less than the first number. That is, y is 10% less than the number x. So if we do with If we deal with this even further, we can also find the value of x, y and so on. So this is about this problem. So we have used percentages in this problem. So the basic thing we need to follow when we are dealing with these kinds of problems is the logic behind it. That is there are two numbers and the third and there is another number and the two numbers are less than some percentage of the third number. So that's the logic we have to deal with it. If we easily find the equations of those problems, then the equation becomes easier to solve. So that's it about this problem. The answer is 10%. So thank you.